Hey folks, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to talk about script variables. These variables are very helpful when you are trying to automate some processes. So you need to ask to the user for some input, and also when you need to pass these values as arguments to the script so you can process it inside the script. So let's let's start by doing a new file, which will be my script. So I'm going to add the shebang here, use rpm bash. Okay, the first thing that you need to know is that script variables are based on the position. So the way that you are calling your script, you need to pass those variables separated by space. Let's say that you are going to execute any script .sh and you want to send var1, well, actually value1, value2, and value3. This is the way that you need to call your script and passing each value separated by space. So what happens when those values arrives to the script? Those values fall in some system variables or script variables which are already predefined inside the script. Um, those are numbered from the 1 to the 9, so you can assign those, let's say, this way: second and third. So you can execute this script and passing those values separated by space, and those values will be assigned by position to one of these variables at the time. And let's do the test here. Printing, and I'm going to press first, printing third, second. Okay, I'm going to save it. I'm going to assign execution permissions. Okay, and then I'm going to execute it. And I'm going to pass my name is. So my will fall or will be assigned into the variable number 1, name in the second, and is in the third. As you can see, is printing my is name. Why is that? Because that's the way that I printed. I printed first, then the third, and then the second. This is the way that you can manage the variables inside. And another useful variable which is assigned in the system is this one, is the star one. So I'm going to print the same and look what is the result. This is the same that we saw before, and the star variable, the asterisk, it has all of the arguments that you are passing to the script. This is a very good way to print all of them, and not one by one. Okay, this is all for this video. I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe to the channel and suggest more topics. Stay tuned. Thanks.